Hi, welcome to Fix and Tricks channel. Today we have a charging adapter, Huawei, and there is no output. We want to open it and walk through if we can repair it. But first of all, guys, please subscribe the channel and comment for me and like the videos that you like. This help me to make a better videos and encourage me also. So please subscribe the channel. Okay, back to work. Let me to test it before opening and show you. We use a testing module for testing, guys. There is no output. Okay, let me to open it. Okay guys, we take out the charging module. The first thing that we have to check, this is the possibility of a loose connection between these two pads and the contactor at the end of the adapter. In some charging adapter, there is a loose connection at this region, and that's it, in the cause of no output for the charger. Because of that, we have to check this before every try. Okay, we have to use a alligator clips for this test, like this, and connect the testing module. And connect it to the power. Okay, we have no output, so this possibility, so there is a no loose connection between the connector, and we have to find the problem somewhere else on the charging board. Okay, as you see, we have a little fuse here. Let's check the fuse. Okay, the fuse is connected. On the other side, we have a bridge rectifier and some SMD resistor and capacitors. Now I want to check this bridge rectifier. As you see, guys, the bridge rectifier is right and has no problem. Okay, I go for this Schottky diode. As you see, the diode is short. We have to find that the short is from the diode or somewhere else on the board. We have to take out the diode and test it. Okay guys, we're desoldering the diode. We want to take it out and test it. Yes guys, the diode is shorted. We have to change this diode. Let's check the output. Let's see the short circuit is gone or is there. Okay guys, as you see, the short circuit is gone and the diode make the short circuit. We have to change the Schottky diode. Let me to find and solder it again. Okay guys, I found the equivalent diode from some charger board and I want to solder it. The cathode must be on this side and we have to solder it like this. It's all right. Okay, now we have to check it. Okay guys, I want to connect it to the power outlet. Yes guys, as you see, the charging was repaired. We have 5.57 volts. Okay, I want to check it now by the load tester. Let me to bring this is the load tester that I make it myself. I show how to make this load electronic load on some videos. You can find it in my channel. Now I want to check the capacity of the charger with this electronic load. Look at the current guys. Now it draw near 1 amps and the voltage is above 5 volts. Okay, it's acceptable. The current is near 2 amps and the voltage is near 5 volts. It's okay guys. We have 2 ampere output and that's okay for this kind of charger. And the repair was done. Please subscribe the channel and like the videos, comment, and bye for now.